Hi guys, so this is just a quick video on setting up your Pearson account. So if you go to classwork and you go to math and you click on today's math assignment, it's going to take you to this page and it says redirect in 765, or just click on take me there and then you're going to get to this page. It should be the same way that you've logged in the past. If not, let me know. And then you're just putting in your Gmail. So let me see if I press sign in. So that's not working. This is the page you want. And if you just click on use, if your account is not here, then you need to add it. So like I even practiced with Han's account just to see if it works. So these are my two Gmail accounts. This is Han's. If your name doesn't come up here, then just click on use another account, put it in, and you'll be directed to the Pearson account. Let me know if that doesn't work.